Here's how you can transform your online reputation in only 1 week. It's a fact that people are searching Google every day looking for the services you offer. According to a recent article shown here, 97% of people who need to find a local business will first search for it online. When people in your market search Google for the services that you offer, what do they find? They find your business's reputation. In both the paid and organic results, Google presents several things about your customers' experience with your business. First, the overall rating of your business on their 5-star system. Second, the total number of reviews for your business. And third, your prospects are also given the opportunity to read those reviews by clicking on the business name. Reputation management has 3 major pillars. First, you have to manage your reputation. You do that by monitoring all of the major review sites, so you know when a review about your business is created. You need a system that monitors all of the major business review sites for you, all day, every day. Relying on your staff to periodically check these review sites is a mistake made by many small businesses. Your staff simply doesn't have the time for this, and there is a much better and more reliable way. You also need to respond to every review so your prospects will know that you care about them and your online reputation equally. Second, you can only build your online reputation by asking for reviews. Unfortunately, most businesses don't automate the process of asking for reviews, and it doesn't get done. We can provide your business with a new review system that will automatically send an SMS text message or a personalized email to each of your current customers requesting a review. That will build a library of new reviews for you to use for marketing and social media posts. Your new review system will also automate the process of sending an SMS text message or a personalized email to each of your repeat customers and your new customers, requesting a review whenever they use your services. The system will basically manage itself, requiring minimal staff involvement. Third, your review system will post your reviews online to the review directory chosen by the reviewer. We can also post each review to one or all of your social media accounts. We also have the unique ability to create review videos from your text-based reviews, and we have an example to show you later in this video. Let's talk about managing your reputation. At a minimum, you must monitor your online reviews. Knowing what is being said about your business is important because your prospects are reading those reviews. Also, you can use the information in those reviews as an opportunity for any needed operational improvements, as they often reveal any recurring performance problems. By responding to your online reviews, you demonstrate that you care about your customers' experiences with your business and your online reputation. From your customer's perspective, an owner's response empowers the consumer. Responding to online reviews enables you to turn a negative 1-star review into a positive 5-star response. It's your chance to not only respond to the person who left the review, but also speak to all of your future customers who will read that review and your response to it. Your response can demonstrate your business philosophy and your humanity by how you relate to a dissatisfied customer. Why is monitoring and responding very important? You can't respond if you don't even know the review exists. According to Bright Local Survey in 2023, 89% of consumers read businesses' responses to reviews. Plus, your business will make more money. Businesses that reply to more than 25% of their reviews earn 35% more revenue on average. You can use our free online tool to check your online reputation, and it only takes 90 seconds. We check all of the major business review sites. Click the link in the description section below, and you will be taken to our website page that is shown here. You only need to enter your business name and phone number, and we will do the rest. In less than 90 seconds, you will get a directory visibility report customized for your business. It shows every review site where your business has a review. It also shows the number of reviews on each directory. And if your business name, address, or phone number on any directory conflicts with Google's records, it will be highlighted in red. Pillar 1, managing your reputation. Upon your authorization, we'll initiate the monitoring of your business online. This typically takes less than 24 hours. The system monitors every business review directory where your business is listed. Our system will notify the employees you designate within 15 minutes via email when a review about your business is posted online. You will never again be caught off guard when a review is posted about your business on any of the major review sites. Pillar 2, building your reputation. The most effective way to build your reputation is by asking for reviews. For your current customers, your new reputation system it'll send an SMS or text message to all of them requesting a review. For new and repeat customers, we will set up your reputation management system. So it will automatically request customer reviews via an SMS message or via email. The setup time for the building pillar is typically 24 to 48 hours. Pillar 3, marketing your reputation. For your website, we will create a sliding carousel or a sidebar widget that your webmaster can install, or we can install it for you. This feature will cycle through all of your most recent reviews, showing your great reputation to website visitors. The reviews are refreshed automatically only with 5-star reviews. For social media, we will set up your business so new reviews will be automatically posted to your social media sites. Setup time for the marketing pillar is typically 48 hours. If you start with Pillar 1 on a Monday, this entire system will be set up and operational by Friday. Marketing your reputation with video reviews. People most often prefer to watch rather than read when they can. Because of this fact, we created a unique system that can turn your text reviews into video reviews, like this one. These videos can be used on your website and also posted to your YouTube channel. We can optimize these videos for SEO purposes. So, when a prospect searches for a high-traffic keyword phrase for your service in your market, Google will show them your customer testimonial video.
We've made our business successful by focusing one person at a time. That's why we treat everyone with the same care and attention every single time. And now we're proud to share some great feedback. Take a look.
He also has a suite of research tools that can extract competitor and marketplace data on any profession or industry. I was absolutely amazed at the data he was able to uncover that helped us develop a strategic marketing plan using SEO and paid advertising. I recommend Next Wave Digital Marketing to anyone who needs a website and wants it to be a platform for lead generation.
So if you're looking for a company that really cares about serving others, backed by years of experience, we'd like to think we're the right business for you. So why wait? Call us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.
I created this channel to help small and mid-sized business owners, just like you, become expert consumers of digital marketing services. All the courses and video training I could find online were designed to turn small business owners into digital marketing experts. They were created so you or your staff could do the work yourselves. Based on my experience of working with small business owners for 17 years, I think that is fundamentally the wrong approach. In my experience, small business owners are simply too busy running their own businesses and don't have the time or the interest to become digital marketing experts. However, they are very interested in being smart consumers of digital marketing services they can use to grow their business. They are willing to pay a reasonable price for marketing services that deliver what is promised. That's why I created this YouTube channel. The videos on it are designed to help you become an expert consumer of digital marketing services and show you where you can hire professionals at reasonable prices. If you want to be notified when I release new videos, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. And if you know a small business owner who wants to grow his or her business, please consider sharing this video with them. One final thing. If you have any questions about reputation management or want someone to look at your website, your social media activity, and what your primary competitors are doing online, then let's chat. In the description section below, you will see a link for a free 30-minute consultation call. Click the link and select the time that's convenient for you. I'm looking forward to talking with you.